everyone, my name is Isis. I'm cafe manager in Zurich and I come from Brazil. Today I will show you how you can make an easy feijoada at home. I hope you enjoy it. Feijoada is consumed by all Brazilians at Sunday lunch or on special occasions. But on daily basis, black beans, only seasoned with garlic, are consumed daily by all Brazilians as they are rich in vitamins, fibers, and minerals. Soak the beans in water for about 8 to 12 hours. Discard the water from the beans and place it to cook in a pressure cooker along with the bay leaves. Cover with hot water and heat. Cover the pan and after it takes pressure, lower the heat and leave to cook for 20 minutes. After the beans are ready, take a frying pan and fry the bacon and sausage. Cut the sausage in slices. When it's beginning to brown, add the onion and garlic. When the onion and garlic are browned, add to the beans. Also add the smoked ribs to the beans. Gradually put the hot water according to how much stock you want. Let cook for another 90 minutes or until the meat and beans are very soft. Finally, add the parsley, the spring onion and the pepper. We add the feijoada with rice and farofa. You can also do the vegan version with tofu. I wish you all bon appétit!